nagpadala ngayong umaga for turn number 7203. Known as a small town lottery. Number 10, ibabalik ko po para sa pagpili natin second winning number. Ulitin ko po, our second winning number is number 21. Our winning combination para sa ating 10:30 a.m. draw, 10 and 21. Ulitin ko po, 10 and 21. Maraming salamat.
Yes, yeah. Sige, 10:21.
Official draw result for 10:30 a.m. draw number 7203, 1021, 1021.